Meet my Mickey. Yeah, he's mine. Oops, I dropped my gel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just going through Pinterest all over again. Yeah, you know what I mean. And if you haven't seen my Pinterest hacks, I tried DIY part 1. Go up to the card over there and just click on it and watch it first. Then come back over here. So today I'm just gonna try a DIY hack of a tinted eyebrow gel. Yeah, that's something we all need. But I haven't been doing my eyebrows for a long time. I just started getting my eyebrows shaped just 2 months back. Before that, I was like,
then some hairs are out of place. Okay. Yeah, I'm done.
I was like that kind of a girl. I never paid heed to my eyebrows, and then one day when I just decided to get my eyebrows done, I was like, why haven't I done that yet? I mean, that's the best thing that happens to a woman, right? And I didn't do it for such a long time. Such an idiot. So, no more with the babbling. Let's get on to it. So, all you need are two ingredients. One is a hair gel. I didn't have one because I don't use hair gel. So, I got one for myself. This is a Apollo Pharmacy hair gel.
Some kind of NGH Pro vitamin B5 as if I care.
And the next thing you need are some dark brown or light brown, as is your preference, eyeshadows or eyebrow shadows. I didn't have any eyebrow powder or eyebrow pencil because, as I told you earlier, I don't use those stuff. So I just have this eyeshadow set with a matte brown eyeshadow. I hope you can see the color. This is, I don't even know. This is a Canadian brand, I guess, or from New York. Very bad with geography. Matches my hairs on the eyebrows. At least that's what I think. And we also need some containers to store them, of course. I also got an old mascara wand, old mascara wand, and I just did this to this wand. We just have to scrape, where's my scraper? Yeah, we just have to scrape some of this eyeshadow of this palette, get it into the container, and then add some hair gel, mix it. You should probably done by it. Let's see. I can't show you what I'm doing, just scraping it. I just love this eyeshadow so much. Actually, I don't have much makeup in my stash. So, because I'm on a very tight budget, I can't afford to have too much makeup. I actually have only one blush, two pressed powders, and the thing I have the most, kajals, eyeliners, and eyeshadow palettes. I guess this much is good for the beginning. So let's add this hair gel into it. I don't know what this is going to turn out like. I guess we'll do with one drop for now. I just hope this turns out to be something, at least, that I can apply on my brows, because I'll be going out right now. And more hair gel. So I didn't find any particular measurements for this one, so we'll have to do with what we think is gonna happen with this. And yeah, actually some color is at least coming to the hair gel. See?
DIY tutorial of how I make the lipstick gloss? Comment down below. I'll do it for you. So,
Seems to be like a cookie batter. See? So let's see how it works. You're supposed to just dip your wand in it and go. This is the first time I'm doing my eyebrows, guys. I guess it's nice. This hair gel, um, what is this called? This shiny thing. I think this shine will just go down a little bit. So it's quite nice. And just look the difference it makes. I am quite impressed. Let's do the other brow, or else I'll look like a person out of a Halloween movie with one brow down. So let's just wait for some time and see if this shine goes away. Oh my god, my eyebrows are on a fleek, guys. I just can't stop staring at my eyebrows. I'm like, still now I'm just looking at the viewfinder and I'm like, okay, this does make so much of a difference to my eyebrows. My whole face looks so made up. So I've heard people say that a girl can go out of the house if she has the perfect eyebrows and the perfect lippy. I guess that's true. I can just go out like this without a care in the world, and I'm obsessed. So this DIY was a huge yay. I would probably rate it 11 out of 10. I love this so much. This DIY has actually changed my life. Oh man, I can never stop using it, I guess. I'll never be able to go out of the house again without my eyebrows done. This DIY you must try. I mean, I have seen people and I've seen my friends just doing away with loads of hundreds of money for the eyebrow kits. But seriously, get your eyebrows plucked for 15 or 20 bucks, then DIY this eyebrow gel. You are done. Your eyebrows will be perfect all the time. This is a must try DIY, and if you do, send me those pictures in the media links given below and say hi to me over there. And do subscribe to my channel if you like such DIYs. I'll be coming up with more such DIYs in the future. I just love this one. I'm so obsessed with this. So yeah, that's it for today. Till the next time. Bye.